Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable home inventory creation with Nest Egg, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable home inventory creation with Nest Egg, start by downloading the Nest Egg app from your. Once installed, open the app and create a new account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, navigate to the main dashboard where you'll find various options. Look for the Inventory section on the dashboard. Tap on Create New Inventory to begin setting up your home inventory. You will be prompted to add a category for your items. Select a category that best fits the items you want to include, such as electronics, furniture, or clothing. Once you've selected a category, tap on Add Item to input specific items in that category. Enter detailed information about each item, including the name, description, purchase date, and value. After filling in the details, save the item to your inventory. Continue this process until all items in your home are recorded. You can also set reminders for re-evaluating the value of your items periodically. If you wish to share your inventory with family members or insurance agents, navigate to the sharing options in the app. Follow the prompts to select who you want to share your inventory with and adjust the permissions as needed. Once everything is set, regularly update your inventory as you acquire or dispose of items. This will help ensure your home inventory remains accurate and useful. Now you're ready to use Nest Egg for your home inventory creation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.